So you're gonna have admission fees for me to come in and look at your cars?
Absolutely not. It is free to come in, although if you want to vote for cars, we have
got a ballot box there, huh?
We have poker chips, and we will sell you poker chips, and then you go around and all the cars have cups in front of them.
Okay.
And you just put your poker chips in the cups.
Well, let's do that.
Okay.
How many would you
That will
like?
help you raise some funds, right?
Exactly.
All right. So did you ever have a Chevy Super Sport?
My brother had one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess when I was in...
It was copper color.
And that's the fun of meeting all these people that were
Copper color. Boy, that was a great car. Can't believe I traded it off.
I remember we went to a dealership. That was the 25th anniversary. That was an Eagle.
All right, what we got here? We got an old Ford. Is that a Ford pickup truck over there? What does it say?
1930.
1930. I better get that one in here. World War II Jeep. See what kind of armament we got in here. There's a few mortar rounds in here. And I think cool.
41. Registration.
41 Willis.
Really?
Looks like he's ready for action. You get it?
This older dude over there in Shepherdstown, he had a 53 and a 55, and he couldn't drive the 55 anymore because it doesn't have anything power. So he kept the 53 and sold me the 55.
Okay. Well, I wish I had a place to keep one of these cruisers, but I don't have a garage anymore, so I sold my cruiser.
I drove him that day comes.
It's 78.
What's that? Does it say?
80.
That's an 80. What is it, 34?
31.
You've got the red Corolla out here that's lower, and then my other son's got a bunch of trucks. The CA just seeing the nose stick out and being with the Corvettes until the one guy was like, "Oh, the new Lotus is down there." First one I've seen in person. Very nice. Not normally a low.
So how long you had it? How long have you had it?
Every 15 years.
Every 15 years? Okay. Nice. I had a friend that was in the Army that I had a friend that was an Army. He was a, what do you call him? JAG. He was a military attorney. And he had one of these that he cruised around after he retired. Stuff. So.
You don't see many of these on the road.
No, you don't.
Not anymore.
It's nice.
And so anyway, so when she said, you know, I think that was the biggest thing was I told her something, and I said, yeah, which I've got to, you know, go off and look out of the company. How many? But anyways, that's pretty much.
Sure is. See the rotating car on the engine block here? Isn't that cool? Where he got that?
This guy's got one in the back window too.
It's unusual. Let's see what this is. Well, I wish I had one of those for my '69 Dodge Charger. That'd be a good.
Brandon is, and when he was younger, he was 14 years old, and he said, Dad, if I work hard, do you think that when I turn 16 that I could get a book? And I said, you know,
That guy coming.
Cars have one-door prizes. Car number 36. That's the number that's on your yellow, whatever that is, registration. Car number 36. Car number 30. Car 17. Car number 18. Car number 7. And car number 5. Off to get your door prizes.